Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to JB Chem tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Friedel craft acylation. Friedel craft acylation. Friedel craft acylation. So benzene reacts with benzene benzene reacts with acetyl chloride, either maybe acyl chloride in the presence of in the presence of Lewis acid. Lewis acid gives acyl benzene. Acyl benzene as product. As product is known as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. It means benzene reacts with acyl chlorides, either maybe acyl halides. So not acyl chloride, acyl halides. In the presence of acyl halides means X means halide group, that is X equals to either maybe chlorine, maybe bromine, either maybe iodine. In the presence of Lewis acid may be AlX3 or FeX3. So Lewis acid which gives acyl benzene as a product. This is called as a acylation of benzene. Benzene reacts with acyl chloride, acyl halide, which gives acyl benzene as a product. This is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Then reaction and mechanism involved it. What is the mechanism involved? It we are going to be learn. So what is the mechanism? Put that in mechanism. So mechanism. So in the first step, generation of acylinium ion. Generation of acylinium ion. It means the acyl halide, the RC double bond OX reacts with we said that one AlX3 or FX3, which this due to electronegativity, the electrons are shifted towards the allied ion, and it will be converted into AlX4 minus and Al plus charge. Then it will be gives this strong acylinium ion. This is called as a generation of acylinium ion. Second one is the attack of acylinium ion on pi electron system of benzene. So how it will be attacked? So it will be attacked at pi electron system of benzene. So this benzene benzene. Then this bond is shifted towards this carbon atom and it gets this structure. So when the electrons are shifted now, so here gets minus charge, here gets positive charge. The double bond system will be same. So here the acylinium ion will be attacked. So CO plus R. So this minus charge will be takes this as acylinium ion and it will be converted into this product. H will be present here and C double bond O will be present here, and here it will be gets positive charge, and here it will be double bond will be present, and here double bond will be present. So to neutralize this positive charge, these electrons are shifted towards this single bonded carbon atom, and it will be converted into this bond. H will be present here, C double bond O present here, and R will be present here, and this bond shifted towards here double bond will become, and here the electron loss na, so here the positive charge will be shifted to here and double bond system will be present here. Then to neutralize this charge, to neutralize this positive charge, the electrons are shifted towards this single bonded carbon atom. Then it will be shifted to, it will be get this structure. So double bond system, benzene. So C double bond R group will be present here and H will be present here. Double bond system will be present here. This bond is shifted towards itself. So E double bond system will be present here and positive charge will be present here, and it will be hence the second step. To last step is a loss of proton. To loss of proton or restoring of aromaticity. So that is the third step. That is loss of proton, or third step is loss of proton. Third one is a loss of proton or restoring of aromaticity. So this is the aromaticity. So in the last step, what happened? It will be got this structure. So C double bond O R will be present here, and hydrogen will be present here. Double bond system will be present here. Double bond system will be present here. It got the positive charge. To get the aromaticity, to restore the aromaticity, the bond shifted towards the ear and it will be converted into end product by the elimination of this H plus ion. Then it will be get the structure. This structure, that is acyl benzene. Then this H plus ion, and reacts with H plus ion reacts with this H plus ion reacts with AlX4 minus and Al plus, and it will be converted into AX plus AlX3 will be released. This AlX3, it is act as a catalyst, and this AlX3 are released. This is about the Friedel Craft acylation of the benzene. this is the reaction and mechanism involved in the Friedel craft acylation. If you like it, like my video. If you want any explanation, please comment topic name in the comment section. Then if you want to get any notification regarding my channel, then please subscribe my channel JB Chem tutorial. Thank you one and all.